Hi there, it's Joshua, the Classic Competition Company, with a lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is an iconic 1979 Honda CBX1000 six-cylinder icon. This can be won on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £2.99, and the draw will take place on the 12th of April, just Sunday at 10 PM. So it's a nice silver example. We've done quite a few red ones. This particular bike has been, I think, restored over the past 4 years. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It's got the nice standard style pipes, and like I said, the lovely silver paint. It's an export style model with the higher rise bars. It's very, very cold today, so we have warmed it up prior to the video. Starts really easy, a nice smooth engine with no nasty cam chain noises. That's what we'll do now. Start her up. There, just your key on. Fuel's already on. No need for the choke. Just press the button. There we are, start straight away. Doesn't really need any choke either when it's cold, must just be the way the carbs are set up. Have a little listen to the engine. Nice and smooth, and we'll give it a rev as well. Like I said, it's already warm, so don't worry that I'm revving it. It's that iconic six-cylinder sound. So yeah, really, really nice example. If you fancy a ticket, like I said, they're £2.99. The draw will take place on the 12th of April 2026, and it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you and good luck.